I'm a bit challenged today because I've been asked to do some smoothies that are keto friendly. I've heard of the expression, I've heard of the term keto, but I didn't know what keto meant. I had to go online. I did some research, as I always do, and ketogenetics or ketogenesis or whatever it's called, it's diet that's low in carbohydrates, moderate proteins, high in fats. And the idea, I guess, is it causes the body to burn more stored fats for energy because it's not getting its energy from the carbohydrates. Okay, making smoothies. I went to Costco to get ingredients. I spent nearly $100, but I came home with a lot of keto-friendly ingredients, all at Costco. And I saw this, and I thought, perfect, because what do I know? I don't know what I'm doing. If this can make it easy for a beginner like me, why not? It's in the freezer section. It's a 12-pack of Acai, what is it? Acai Guarana. I keep wanting to call it guano. I know it's not guano. I know what guano is. You can look that up. Acai Guarana, Sambazon brand. So, and they come in little packs, so 100-gram little pouches. And you add some fruits, you add some liquid. It seems like it's going to be a pretty easy way to make, at least starting off, making keto-friendly smoothies. So let's make this first, my first keto-friendly smoothie. Okay, they give you directions on the packet. Run under water, cut off top of pack to open and break up into a blender. I actually broke it up by squeezing the plastic pouch to break it up inside. Cut off the top. I'm using 2 because I'm going to do a double batch. Okay. So far I'm not enthused about the color, but it sort of looks like guano. But what do I know? All right, one more. I gotta warn you, I'm in a mood. I'm in a silly mood. Here's the other one. Gosh. I'm trying not to laugh. Okay. That's making me laugh. All right, clean up my mess here. Now, 2 cups of a liquid, 2-cup measuring cup. I'm going to use some coconut milk. This is organic coconut milk that I bought today. Never used it before, don't know what it is. Do I have to shake this first? All right. 2 cups of coconut milk. By the way, those packets, I think I mentioned they were 100 grams each, which is about 3.5 ounces. 2 cups of coconut milk is 475 milliliters. I think I wasn't paying attention there, and I might have put in a little bit too much, but I'm not going to pour it back into the bottle. Okay, 2 cups of coconut milk, or you can use almond milk. And then for fruit, I have 1 cup, which is 175 grams by weight of frozen sliced strawberries. Very frozen. Okay. Put the lid on. I'm ready to blend that. Okay, I need to turn my Vitamix on. Set the dial to 1. I'm going to start slow to let this stuff start to grind up, and then when it starts to mix up, I'll increase the speed and then blend this at high speed until it's fully smooth. Okay, 40 seconds should be enough. My first keto smoothie. All right. Let's see what I got here. I took a little taste of this and decided it wasn't sweet enough. I wanted it a little bit sweeter, so I stirred in a package of Truvia stevia. Okay, and as I always do, I divide my extra up to see if I can get this between 2 jars. I don't think I have enough in there for another 12 ounces, so I'm going to fill this up. Fill this up. There we go. All right, there it is. My first keto smoothie. Boy, I can taste coconut in that, all right. That's good. That really is good. It's got a coconut flavor to it, but I can also taste the berry. It's almost got like a tiny bit of a grape flavor to it. It's really good, and it's not thick. It's more like a milk. Oh, that's good. That's really good. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my acai strawberry guarana. I don't want to say guano. Guarana smoothie.